Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MailerLite campaigns workflow for content publishing cadence, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure MailerLite campaigns workflow for content publishing cadence, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Navigate to the campaigns section in the main dashboard. Select Create Campaign to initiate a new campaign setup. Choose a suitable name for your campaign that reflects your content publishing goals. Click Create to open the campaign editor. Next, select a template that matches your preferred style for content delivery. Customize the template by adding your branding elements, such as your logo and color scheme. Now, move on to the content area where you can input text, images, and links for your campaign. Once your content is ready, head to the Settings tab in the campaign editor. In the settings, set your campaign type as either regular or automated. For automation, choose the workflow option to create a sequence of emails. Define your workflow trigger. This could be based on a specific date or a manual trigger. Add your first action to the workflow, which could be sending an email. Customize this email to align with the theme of your content. To maintain a cadence, set the timing for each email to ensure consistent delivery. You can add additional actions to the workflow, such as follow-up emails or reminders. Preview the entire workflow to ensure it flows seamlessly from one step to the next. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize your campaign configuration. Activate your workflow by toggling the switch to active. Finally, monitor the performance of your campaign through the Analytics tab to make necessary adjustments. This will help you maintain an effective content publishing cadence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.